Getting the broad grammatical construction is the key here. The construction is that, according to experienced pet owners, it is quite reductive to say that all one has to do with fish is, see, it's not 3 or 4 things here. The construction is that all one has to do with fish is feed them, that's one, and remove them and put them. Getting this is the key, that there aren't 3 or 4 actions. It's just 2 actions. Feed them regularly and remove them from the tank safely and put them in clean water. See, removing them from the tank safely and putting them in clean water is one action. The two are interrelated. Getting this broad construction is the key. Let me explain. A and some extra information, B1 and B2. A is feed them regularly and some extra information between 2 commas, this information here, and then B1 and B2, it's one big action. B1 and B2 are 2 small actions which are interrelated. B1 is remove them from the tank safely and B2 is put them in clean water. And the broad construction is simply A and B. B1 and B2 put together are B. So it's not a list of 3 or 4 elements, it's only a list of 2 actions, A and B. B has 2 parts, B1 and B2, and between commas you have extra information. An excellent question on grammatical construction, one of the best you will ever find. If you got this construction, pat your back. If you did not, don't worry, this is very complex. And once you get this, you know that all the other 4 answer choices are going to be wrong. None of these other 4 answer choices follow this construction. All of them put B1 and B2 as separate actions. See, you have a comma and in all of these constructions, suggesting that all these answer choices are treating B1 and B2 as 2 separate actions. They are giving it an A, B, and C format, which isn't the case. There isn't a B and C here. It's B1 and B2. The last 2 actions are closely interrelated. They together form one action. So all the 4 answer choices have been eliminated, and suppose you did not get this construction, and even if it were about A, B and C format, you would see that the verbs are not parallel in many answer choices. In answer choice you have feed and then here you have to put, so anyway not parallel. In answer choice C you have to feed but then you don't have a to put here. So again, not parallel. In answer choice E, you have to feed, to remove, and you don't have a to put here. So not parallel. And then choices D and E are extremely passive and wordy in this construction here. These are all hints to help you, force you to look into the real grammatical construction that B has to offer. Let's confirm choice B once. According to experienced pet owners, it is quite reductive to say that all one has to do with fish is A, feed them regularly, and B, which is remove them from the tank safely and put them in clean water. It's all B. The entire action is B. It's made up of 2 small actions, B1 and B2. B1 is remove them from the tank safely and B2 is put them in clean water. It is quite reductive to say that all one has to do with fish is A and B, and between A and B you have extra information here. If you got this right through the correct logic, awesome. If you did not, no worries, this is very difficult. And if you don't feel in control, please watch the video once again. B is the correct answer choice.